How to fix No Man's Sky crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and then right click on the game, then open up the properties window and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files, and just wait for this process to finish, as it might take a while, and it will basically repair your files. And once it's done, you want to go to the general tab and then under launch options you want to specify -DX11, or if this does not work, try -D3D11 like this. Now you can close out of this window, and the next step is to close Steam and open up your GPU application where you can get updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. Now if you have the latest one installed, try to reinstall it from here, and once you finish that, you should open up a new browser tab and look for redist like this in the search bar, and it will bring out the first link to Microsoft website for redistributables. Now you want to scroll down and download both of these right here, the 86 version and the 64 version, which will basically download an installer on your PC. And then you need to run it and follow along the steps to basically install this. Now, once you install both of these right here, you will need to restart your system. And after the restart, you want to open up Steam as administrator like this. Right click on Steam and open as admin or run as admin. And then you want to simply launch No Man's Sky again. And that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.